Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of anti-inflammatory foods. Fighting inflammation is one of the most effective long-term strategies to improve your overall health and to prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and even some cancers. So it's really important to add these foods into your daily routine. We've put together a list of some of the best anti-inflammatory foods and explained why they work so well. And stick around till the end because we'll be revealing some bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Number 1, berries. Let's start with berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. These tiny fruits are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation by neutralizing harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. So by reducing inflammation, berries help protect against various health conditions. Plus, they're delicious and versatile. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Number 2, fatty fish. Next on our list are fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. Omega-3s have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body, making them excellent for overall health and potentially easing symptoms of inflammatory conditions. If you don't consume enough fatty fish, consider taking a fish oil supplement. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to get the recommended amount of omega-3s. Number 3, leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. These nutrients help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. The high vitamin C content in leafy greens, for example, supports the body's antioxidant defense system, while other compounds help regulate inflammatory processes. Incorporate them into salads, smoothies, or sauté them as a side dish to enjoy their anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 4, nuts. Nuts are powerhouse anti-inflammatory foods. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios contain healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. The combination helps reduce inflammation and supports heart health. The fiber and healthy fats promote a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management and preventing chronic diseases. Enjoy a small handful of nuts daily, preferably unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted. Number 5, tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a carotenoid and powerful antioxidant. Lycopene is especially effective at reducing inflammation. Interestingly, the anti-inflammatory properties of lycopene are enhanced when tomatoes are cooked. So don't hesitate to use tomato sauce, roasted tomatoes, or fresh in your salads. Number 6, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is not only an anti-inflammatory food, but also one of the healthiest fats on the planet. It contains a compound called oleic canthal, which has been found to have similar anti-inflammatory properties to ibuprofen. Additionally, olive oil is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects. Use extra virgin olive oil as your primary cooking oil or in dressings to reap the benefits. Number 7, garlic and onions. Garlic and onions are not only flavorful, but also powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients. The sulfur compounds in garlic help block inflammatory pathways in the body. Meanwhile, onions contain quercetin, a flavonoid that reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Use garlic and onions generously in your cooking to enjoy their anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 8, turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice, is a superstar when it comes to anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound curcumin is responsible for many of turmeric's health benefits. However, curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. That's where black pepper comes in. Piperine, the compound found in black pepper, enhances the absorption of curcumin. So add both turmeric and black pepper to your diet. Add them to soups, stews, teas, or consider taking them as a supplement after consulting with a healthcare professional. Number 9, avocados. Avocados are a true superfood when it comes to inflammation. They're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, magnesium, and various phytochemicals that combat inflammation. The monounsaturated fats in avocados, particularly oleic acid, help reduce bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. Their anti-inflammatory properties extend to various aspects of health, making them a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. Enjoy avocados in smoothies, on toast, or in salads for a nutritious and anti-inflammatory snack or meal. Number 10, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard right. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat, but also an anti-inflammatory food. Look for dark chocolate with 70% cacao or higher. The higher cacao percentage, the more beneficial compounds it contains. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols that have anti-inflammatory properties. These flavonols help reduce inflammation and support overall health. However, as dark chocolate is high in calories, it's best to enjoy it in moderation, perhaps a few small squares a few times a week. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip that's crucial. Stay hydrated. Numerous studies have shown that even mild dehydration increases inflammation markers in the body. So it's essential to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, herbal teas and green tea, which also contains anti-inflammatory compounds like ECG. Now let's talk about foods to avoid. To effectively reduce inflammation, it's equally important to be aware of the foods that trigger inflammation. These include processed meats, refined carbohydrates like white bread and pastries, excess sugar and sweetened beverages, fried foods and trans fats. Partially hydrogenated oils are notorious for their inflammatory effects. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier you. By incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your daily routine and avoiding those that cause inflammation, you're taking proactive steps towards better health. Remember, small changes in your diet can make a big difference. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips. And as always, consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Until next time, stay healthy and eat smart.